Guys, Eddie from Harlembling, and I'm sorry I've been slacking with the videos. Just came back from Italy about a week ago, and we've been doing a lot of work. Right after Labor Day, we got swamped with orders from our last sale. If you watch this video, I'm going to do a very special sale. It's going to last for a whole week, so all of you will have a chance. And as a little preview, it's going to be 30% off again, off the entire store. One little catch, but we'll get to that. But guys, everybody that's new, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, Eddie, harlembling.com, best affordable jewelry. So, we're not going to talk about Italian chains. We're going to talk about made in USA, Miami Cuban box clasps. Box clasp is a chain, for those of you who don't know, that have this little box clasp. We had them all the way from 5 millimeters, all the way from 14. Now we're releasing the 16 millimeter, the kilo chain. Also, we'll have them in bracelets. These are handmade in the United States of America. They hang perfectly straight, so you guys don't think I'm doing some camera trick. I can shake it up, and it will go back to being a straight chain. They don't twist. If you guys don't believe me, I'll get another one for you. Is the hang straight test important? No, it's not. But it shows the attention to detail that we do. By the way, it's always easy to fake this test. You could always hold the chain like this with your hands. That's what a lot of other companies do. Let them do this for you. Unedited video. And as it falls down, it's perfectly straight. 16 millimeters, these are handmade to perfection. Look how tight these links are. Look how polished these chains are. These are the highest diamond cut polishing we use. We try to minimize the gaps. For those of you guys that are into collecting silver or buying silver for the weight, this is a 30-inch chain. Weighs about 430 grams, almost half a kilo. This is a pound of silver. This is 16 ounces of silver on your neck. You can also get it as a bracelet. Pricing. A 30-inch that's over 400 grams is around $1,300. With the code that I'm going to tell you, it could be yours for under $1,000. No other company will offer you this much weight for that price. By the way, guys, these are the most secure box clasps. The guy that makes them spends about 2 hours just making this clasp. You hear this click? This chain is not going anywhere. You don't need the safety. The safety is clicking as well. The bigger the chain is, the more secure the clasp is, because it's a heavy chain. I'm going to post the link down below. You can buy them. They're available now on the website. I do not have a lot of them. I have them from 18-inch choker down to my favorite ones are the longer ones. This is a 24-inch I'm wearing. You'll probably see it in the next video. I don't plan on taking it off my neck. Or you can get yourself a bracelet. Now, for the coupon code, 30 now, NOW. So the code is the number 3, the number 0, the letter N, the letter O, the letter W. 30 now saves 30% off the entire website if you spend over $1,000. So if you get one of these big boy chains, if you get yourself a moissanite watch and maybe a pair of earrings, or as long as you spend $1,000, with this code, your total is down to $700. 30%. I can't do codes, guys. The reason, even a lot of you might have noticed your shippings were delayed. We did a Labor Day sale, 30% off. People were buying one pair of earrings. I can't, guys. We got swamped with over 3,000 orders on a Monday. That's why we're doing it only for those guys that spend over $1,000. If not, listen, our prices are still unbeatable. You guys don't need a sale. Every day at Harlembling is a sale. Get one of these kilo chains, 16 millimeters. Look at this thickness. Look at this work. Until next time, Eddie from Harlembling.